Good morning, y'all. Hey, I am waking up, but I thought I should make a quiche, my version of quiche this morning. Guess what? Tomorrow, the Sundays with MamaDee is coming back. I think I'm going to have a chance to actually do it. So I'm going to be live at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, US Eastern Standard Time, and I hope you can join me. So I'm going to make this quiche, this thing that I make. I don't do this all the time, but I hope you can see it. But basically, I'm just going to mix. And by the way, this is gonna be a no edit video, so I hope it's not too long. But this is sweet peppers. And I make this usually like on special occasions, and these are mushrooms, white button mushrooms, and this is onion, and I'm going to fry this. I'm frying this with olive oil, and I use this here. It's called organic sprinkled 24 herbs. I use this, but I usually love to use fresh herbs, and I'm excited because I'm gonna be planting some soon for my summer garden. But what I wanted to say, I always like to use fresh because they make everything look nice and pretty. And I'm going to, once this is done, I'm going to put some tomatoes. And then I'll bake it in the oven, and I'll show you the results. So for now, and I'm going to put the link to all the spices that I use below. But this is the seasonal, which I'm going to sprinkle right now. So everything is to taste, right? Because it's, when you cook, not everyone likes the same things. And I'm going to use this as well. And again, everything is to taste. With herbs, you can use a little bit more, mainly because they are not salted. So it's really a matter of just having the right taste. And of course, I'm going to use black pepper. If I can open it. Okay. I need to get myself ground black pepper, because guess what? I love black pepper and it's never enough, or I never get enough time. I mean, you can always sprinkle it. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this pink salt, Himalayan salt. And then I'm going to stir this. So you can see. So I'm just going to fry this until it is done. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to get some eggs. So I usually make, for the number of people, most people have 2 eggs, so there's 4 of us. I'm going to make 8 eggs. So just make your mix proportional to everything. Like if you have 2 eggs, you have to imagine how much veggies you would need for that. I'm not going to put spinach here because spinach tends to have a lot of water, and I'm not putting bread here to make it low carb. And I'm gonna put a little bit of milk as well. So now I'm going to put my tomatoes and just saute everything nicely. As you already know, I love to steam my veggies on anything that I cook, so I try not to overcook them. Half and half. Again, I'm using my imagination here. Okay, so I'm using this for my eggs. You can get it at the Mexican aisle. I know I like to use unprocessed foods, but guess what? Sometimes you just have to do what you have to do. Okay, maybe every day you have to do what you have to do. And again, I use the same spices. I use pretty much the same spices that I had. Okay, so here's my mixture. Then pour your mixture. Make sure that the egg goes in there. And then chop it with mozzarella, or you can use parmesan, which is what I like, but I don't have. And so just hey Google, set the timer to 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes, and that's starting now.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I finished making it. I almost burned it. I forgot it in the oven. The timer went off and I forgot to take it out. Okay, so
Yum. What is this? What is this?
this is just like veggies. We could have made this an omelette. I usually put bread here, but because I'm on a low carb diet.
I don't want a corner piece, please. That was like a centerpiece.
Okay, that's fine. Get yourself one. Here it is.
Steam.
My favorite
Bite.
Can you see it?
Hey, remember this one?
Wow.
Okay, so bon appetit. We are getting ready to eat. Here's the whole crew. And have a great day. Hope to see you tomorrow.